3, 4 years old, when I can remember, or 5 years old, I remember him building the boat, the Nixon. And I remember him putting in the water, and I remember him going out fishing in the boat. I would say that actually my parents were the pioneers, more so than myself. I just followed in their footsteps, perfected on it, learned from what they did, and obviously learned with time and experience. When I've built up my business, I always looked at it as what would I like? How would I like to travel around the islands? What comfort would I like? It's a good feeling, it's a satisfaction that we can get out of it and saying, well, these people really enjoyed it. And that they recommend us.